Oh my God, dude. I just ate lunch and this is still slapping, my man.
Today we're making a simple one-pan shrimp scampi infused with a little extra something to keep things interesting. Start by bringing a big pot of salted water to boil, drop in your linguini, and cook it till it's just al dente. Drain it and set it aside. Now, let's get the shrimp ready. In a large skillet over medium heat, add a couple tablespoons of olive oil and a tablespoon of butter. Once that's hot, toss in the shrimp with garlic powder, crushed red pepper, a little salt and pepper, and a pinch of fresh basil. Saute them for a minute or two on each side, just until they're cooked through and lightly golden. With the shrimp still in the pan, pour in about half a cup of white wine and the juice from one of the 2 lemons. Let that simmer down for a couple of minutes so the flavor really builds. Now, bring in your cooked linguini, toss it into the skillet and let it soak up all that garlicky, lemony goodness. Turn off the heat, and now it's time to make it chronic style. Stir in about a teaspoon or 2 of infused butter and infused olive oil. Start small, give it a good toss, and adjust based on how strong you want it. Unsure on how to properly infuse olive oil? Check out our previous video for a detailed step-by-step guide. To finish it off, sprinkle in some chopped scallions and a bit more basil for a bright, fresh kick. Garnish with parsley, add a few lemon wedges on the side, and serve it up while it's still steamy and full of flavor. Easy, buttery, and bold. This infused shrimp scampi is perfect for a cozy night or a low-key dinner with friends.
All right, we're gonna do 2 steps to this. I'm gonna do the noodles first, because I did say off camera, I hate shrimp. I'm not gonna lie, I hate shrimp. So if you convert me, my man, you're onto something. Here we go.
I don't know if I can do that. I can't change shrimp a whole lot.
Oh my God, dude. I just ate lunch and this is still slapping, my man. This is there lemon in this? There has to be. I'm seeing lemon off camera there. Nice citrus cut. You got a little spice going in there.
Just a little bit, just a little bit. Just so you feel
Dude.
it back, you know?
All right, we're going for the shrimp now. That pasta fucking slaps. No question. I don't know if I'm supposed to eat this with my hands or not, but we're going. All right.
Put the tail on here. It's 100% acceptable.
Pinkies up. Here we go. Oh, dude, cooked perfectly. The problem with shrimp that I always have
Well, they're
is
tough because they overcook them.
comes out like rubber. This was tender as hell.
Yeah.
That right there, ladies and gentlemen, my man's onto something. Boom.